This cocktail is called an El Salvador. It's made with rum, hazelnut liqueur, with a little lime juice and grenadine. Calls for a cocktail glass. We're going to use a martini glass in this case. And we want to keep it chilled, get it nice and chilled, so we'll have that filled with ice and water, set up to the side while we're making our drink. Let's get a shaker glass, fill with ice. Now the recipe calls for 2 parts of light rum and 1 part of the hazelnut liqueur. So we're going to use 2 ounces of rum. Let me get a nice clean jigger here. This is a jigger. It's got 1 ounce on one side, ½ ounce measuring cup on the other. So we'll need 2 from the 1 ounce side. And then the hazelnut liqueur, we're using Frangelico. It's a very good hazelnut liqueur. Tastes like hazelnuts, of course. And we'll do 1 ounce of that. Calls for 1 part. And then we just need a splash of grenadine and lime juice. Grenadine, a little cherry syrup, just a little splash. It's very thick. And some lime juice. I'm going to cheat here and use store-bought lime juice, but you can squeeze fresh limes into it if you like. One good trick is actually keep the limes in there when you're shaking it. It'll mix it up real well. Let's shake it. Should have a nice pink hue to it. Yes, it does. Good. And we'll strain that into our martini glass. Like so. The El Salvador. I don't think a drink with a tough name like El Salvador should be pink, but hey, down the hatch.